Camaro. This is a 700 horse supercharged Camaro convertible, brand new. No, not brand new. I'm sorry. Okay, 2011, but I thought this one was one of the new ones. But still, it's perfect. Supercharged. Maybe I can get the hood open on this one too. Look down the side there. How many miles? 8,000 miles on it. They barely drove it. Jeez. Oh yeah. Well worth it, I'm sure. I gotta squeeze around the other side here. This car is nice and straight. There's no marks on it at all. 8,000 miles. I hope there isn't any marks on it. Take a look at the inside. Nice. Wow. Here we go. Ugh. Jeez. And 700 horse supercharged monster. Good God. Oh, black on black. 6-speed. See if we can get the feel for the hood release. No, my luck, I'm feeling for it, and then I don't want to hit the car next to me getting it out. There it is. Yep, supercharger right there. Strut tower bar. Yeah, somebody definitely spent some money. Nice and clean. Barely any miles on it. 8,000 miles on it, if nothing. Sway bar down there, a new one. Sure they spent some money on the suspension and everything else. There you go. Edelbrock. So yeah. So I don't know if it's a Edelbrock supercharger or not. Can't really tell. See what we can see in the suspension maybe. No, I can't really tell. Let's see if we can see something under the rear end maybe. It's like an air dam. Oh, nice big fat exhaust on it. Yeah, there's your exhaust. Little exhaust dual. I'm sure that thing sounds nice and mean when it's running. Wow. Jeez. Beautiful car. And then we're going to bring it back to the 80s. Pontiac Fiero. It's an 86. Now the 88s are pretty cool too. I think that's when they stopped making them. Squeeze in between here. On these cars, that Pontiac actually lights up. Sure, it's got the V6 in it. This car's in beautiful shape too. Sunroof, not a lot of them had that. Take a look at the passenger side. And it's a stick. Nice. Oh, Delco factory radio. Yeah, I think it's... Yeah, 86. Pontiac Fiero. Got all the bells and whistles in it. For a Fiero. Let's go around to the driver's side here.
That's insane. Isn't this like a...
Alright.
How you doing?
Good.
Tracy.
Hey, Tracy, Richard.
Hi.
42. Well, let me see if I can get the camera in there. 42,000 miles original. I did actually ask the owner that wreck how many, the miles that were on it. 42. Price on this one, I'm not sure. But it's kind of neat how the old analog gauges, your battery and your oil, RPM gauge. And this car actually went up to 120 miles an hour. Some of them only went up to 88 or 85. Thinking of Back to the Future. AC, cassette player. Actually, for a Delco radio, it actually has a lot of extra buttons on it, which is nice. The old ashtrays on either side. Wow. Comes with a Schulten. So you can fix it. Now the big thing with these was the headliner always would really come down. This one's actually a really nice shape. If I remember right, these came out, the sunroofs. Yeah, it's got, you just squeeze these little tabs and it comes out, and some of them come with a bag to put it in so you could put it underneath the front. So let's get a good look at the motor here. Alright, one of these is that's for the gas. And back then, yes, see, they had two keys, one for the ignition and one for the doors. Not anymore. And there you go. Everything still looks to the original. These were fun cars to drive back then, especially with the V6 in it. I think it's a 2.8 liter with a stick shift. Yeah, this car was pretty fast.